Today we're checking out 15 powerful and innovative woodworking and workshop tools that can make your projects faster, cleaner, and more precise. From smart jigs and heavy-duty clamps to powerful saws, routers, nailers, and professional measuring tools, this lineup is packed with tools designed to improve accuracy and efficiency in any workshop. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a passionate DIY maker, these tools can seriously upgrade your workflow. So stay with us and discover these amazing tools you might want in your workshop. The Woodwork 15-amp electric wood chipper and shredder is a powerful and efficient solution for managing yard waste and branches. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor delivering up to 4,000 revolutions per minute, it easily shreds sticks and branches up to 1.8 inches in diameter. Its SK5 high-hardness dual-edge blades ensure clean, fast cutting, while the anti-jamming design and 21:1 reduction ratio provide smooth material discharge. Built with durable polypropylene housing and IPX4 waterproof protection, it's designed for reliable outdoor use. The lightweight design, dual feed chutes, and 7-inch wheels make loading and mobility easy. With a 50-liter collection bag and CTUV's safety certification, this wood chipper delivers convenient, safe, and efficient yard cleanup. The Haichika 33/8-inch mini circular saw is a compact yet powerful cutting tool designed for precision and convenience. Powered by a durable 4-amp pure copper motor, it delivers speeds up to 4,500 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for cutting wood, PVC, plastic, and soft metals. Its heavy-gauge iron base and aluminum upper cover provide extra durability and safety during operation. The built-in scale ruler and parallel guide help maintain straight, accurate cuts, while the adjustable depth lever allows cutting depths up to 25 mm. An ergonomic rubber handle reduces hand fatigue, and the dust port connects easily to a vacuum for a cleaner workspace. With 3 included blades, this mini circular saw is perfect for DIY projects and workshop tasks. The Makita DRT52 Cordless Router is a powerful and compact woodworking tool designed for precision routing and trimming tasks. Powered by Makita's 18V battery system, it delivers high-speed performance with smooth and efficient cutting for a variety of materials. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime, improved efficiency, and reduced maintenance. The router features variable speed control, allowing users to adjust the speed for different applications, from edge trimming to detailed routing work. With its ergonomic design and rubberized grip, the tool provides excellent comfort and control during extended use. Lightweight yet durable, the Makita DRT52 is ideal for carpenters, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who demand reliable performance and professional quality results. The Malco SGA Adjustable Siding Gauge, 2-pack, is a practical tool designed to simplify siding installation with speed and accuracy. Built with a lightweight yet durable aluminum cover, it offers excellent strength while remaining easy to handle on the job site. The adjustable range from 4 to 8 inches, with precise 1/4 inch increments, allows contractors to work with multiple siding brands and sizes. Its 5/16 to 1/2 inch clamping capacity securely holds most common lap siding materials. The non-marring design protects primed or finished surfaces from damage, ensuring a clean installation. With its ergonomic shape for easy gripping and clamping, this siding gauge helps professionals achieve consistent spacing and faster results during siding projects. The updated 2-in-1 bench vise 4.5-inch table/workbench vise is a heavy-duty clamping tool designed for both professional workshops and DIY projects. Built from high-strength forged steel rated at 60,000 psi, it delivers powerful durability and up to 5,500 pounds of clamping force. Its versatile design allows it to be securely screwed to a workbench or easily clamped onto a table for portable use. The 4.5-inch jaws feature a combination pipe and flat grip, making it perfect for holding both round pipes and flat materials. A 270-degree swivel base provides flexible positioning for different tasks. With a polished flat anvil, smooth guide rail, and corrosion-resistant finish, this vise ensures reliable performance for woodworking, metalworking, and repair work. The Bora Automatic Pocket Hole Jig is a smart woodworking tool designed to simplify pocket hole joinery with speed and precision. This complete system includes a benchtop pocket hole jig, square pocket hole drill bit, and a pack of 50 color-coded screws, giving you everything needed for strong and reliable joints. Its automatic self-calibrating design adjusts instantly to material thickness from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, eliminating manual measurements and setup errors. The color-coded screw system helps you quickly match the correct screw size while providing corrosion protection. Built for durability and accuracy, this jig streamlines woodworking projects and ensures consistent, professional quality pocket hole joints every time. The 7-foot, aluminum adjustable rafter square with level is a versatile measuring tool designed for framing, roofing, and carpentry projects. It combines the functionality of a traditional rafter square with built-in level vials and a bullseye plumb vale for improved accuracy. The adjustable pivoting arm features a secure locking mechanism and 21 indexed angle presets, allowing precise angle measurements for a variety of tasks. Constructed from thick aluminum with stainless steel components, it offers durability and long-lasting performance on demanding job sites. This multi-purpose tool can also function as a level protractor, pitch finder, plumb guide, and saw guide, making it an essential all-in-one measuring and layout tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.
The Stofnailer NVH45 pneumatic roofing nailer is a powerful and reliable tool designed for demanding roofing and construction projects. Built with alloy structural steel in the nose and ASTM standard impact-resistant tool steel for the piston driver, it delivers exceptional durability and wear resistance. This 15-degree coil nailer is compatible with nails from 7/8 inch to 1 3/4 inches, making it ideal for roof decking, framing, subfloors, truss assembly, and mobile home construction. The side-loading magazine holds up to 120 nails for quick reloads and reduced downtime. Operating between 70 and 120 psi, it ensures smooth and consistent performance. With a rust-resistant aluminum body and polymer bumper, this nailer is built for long-lasting professional use. The upgraded thickened cabinet hardware handle jig is a precision drilling guide designed for accurate cabinet handle and knob installation. Built from upgraded aluminum alloy and 50% thicker than standard jigs, it provides exceptional rigidity and stability during drilling. The innovative dual-screw locking system secures the vertical slider from 2 points, ensuring a perfectly straight 90-degree alignment for flawless handle placement every time. Precision machined components allow consistent replication of measurements, making it ideal for carpenters, woodworkers, and home renovators. With a 16-inch ruler and fully adjustable sliders, it supports a wide range of knobs, pulls, and handles. Smooth gliding adjustments and quick setup make this jig a fast, reliable solution for professional or DIY cabinet installations. The Olympia Tools 38736 Woodworker's Vise is a reliable clamping tool designed for woodworking projects in home workshops, garages, and professional job sites. Featuring durable cast iron construction rated at 30,000 psi, this vise provides strong holding power and long-lasting performance. Its powder-coated finish enhances corrosion resistance while maintaining a rugged appearance. Designed with countersunk mounting holes, it securely attaches to a workbench, allowing wood pieces to be held firmly during cutting, sanding, or assembly. The 6 1/2 inch vise offers stability and precision for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Built with professional-grade durability, this vise helps DIY enthusiasts and craftsmen complete repair, building, and woodworking projects with greater control and efficiency. The 25-foot stainless steel measuring tape is a durable and versatile tool for household woodworking and DIY projects. Crafted from premium stainless steel and ABS, it is rust-resistant, waterproof, and built to withstand heavy use. Its hollow design allows sand and water to pass through, keeping the tape clean and easy to maintain. The high-definition scale markings ensure accurate measurements, whether using the hook inside or outside for reference. A strong magnet on the bottom enables hands-free attachment to metal surfaces, while the self-locking mechanism prevents sudden retraction for safer operation. Compact, portable, and user-friendly, this measuring tape is a practical and reliable tool for precise measuring tasks, making it an ideal gift for craftsmen and DIY enthusiasts alike. The Rui Tool Drawer Slide Jig is a precision tool designed for effortless and accurate cabinet drawer installation. With its toggle clamp and magnetic support arm, it securely holds drawer slides in place without damaging surfaces. Built-in dual-scale measurement, featuring laser-engraved metric and imperial markings, ensures precise placement every time. Its modular design allows extension for taller cabinets by connecting two stainless steel bodies. The high-quality rubber pads protect drawers, while the lightweight yet durable construction makes it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Streamline your workflow, achieve repeatable setups, and save time with this user-friendly drawer slide jig. Perfect for fast, accurate, and professional-grade installations in any cabinetry project. The Galax Pro 3.5 amp 6-variable speed oscillating multi-tool is perfect for cutting, sanding, scraping, and grinding in tight spaces. Its 4-degree oscillating angle maximizes efficiency, while the variable speed dial, 15,000 to 22,000 OPM, lets you match speed to the task for precise results. Lightweight and ergonomic, this compact tool weighs under 4 pounds, making it ideal for corners, trims, and detailed work. The quick clamp system allows fast, tool-free accessory changes, saving time and effort. Included accessories cover a wide range of jobs: scraper blade, plunge blade for wood, plastic, and soft metal, semicircle saw blades, triangular sanding pad, and 24 sanding sheets, 60 to 120 grit. A complete kit for professional or DIY projects. The Spurtar 2-piece corner clamps make achieving perfect 90-degree joints easy and precise. Designed for both beginners and professionals, the swing jaw adjusts to hold materials up to 2.76 inches, 70 millimeters, thick, ideal for wood, metal, and glass projects. Crafted from durable die-cast aluminum, these clamps provide strong, reliable pressure without bending or slipping. The ergonomic anti-slip PP and TPR handle ensures smooth tightening and reduces hand fatigue. Perfect for woodworking, metalworking, photo frames, cabinets, boxes, or glass projects. They simplify alignment, drilling, gluing, doweling, and welding. Simply clamp, glue, or fasten. Allow adhesive to dry and remove. A must-have tool for precise DIY and professional projects. The Mitchell 15,000 RPM electric hand planer delivers precise, powerful performance for woodworking, carpentry, and home DIY projects. With a 3 1/4 inch, 82 millimeters planing width and a brushless motor, it provides smooth, fast material removal while minimizing effort. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, battery not included, it offers cordless convenience and high performance. Easily adjust the cutting depth up to 0.08 inches, 2 millimeters, with 0.01 millimeter precision for flawless results every time. The dual switch safety design prevents accidental starts, keeping you and the tool safe. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, this planer allows comfortable extended use, while quick blade changes and intuitive controls make operation effortless for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts.